Manual prospecting for local SEO clients is slow and inefficient. Opening Google Maps, checking each business's reviews, star ratings, and profile completeness can take 20 minutes per prospect. Researching 50 businesses could eat up your entire week before you even send a single email. Most agencies either do shallow research or send generic cold outreach, which rarely gets results. The real issue isn't effort, it's that manual research just doesn't scale. Freaking Insights changes the game. With the bulk scan feature, you upload a CSV of business names and addresses, and the system automatically audits each one in the background. When it's done, you get a full 8-category audit score and competitor comparisons for every business, ready in your Prospects tab. No CSV? The Generate Prospect List tool finds businesses by category and location for you. Now, your outreach is built on real specific data. Prospects see exactly where they stand and how they compare, making your pitch impossible to ignore.